Catch me in your black and white. How I move it be confidential. Real righteous, since birth I've been influential. Risk game started, the drought remained lethal. Converted from the pen to the pad and became ether.
What's good, people? I did not go nowhere. My bad for the delay. Your boy been just tired working, trying to get my salesman together, you know what I'm saying? Get my salesman mind right. You know, I'm out here selling rims, you feel me? Other than that, man, I've been trying to make a little money on the side since YouTube ain't paying me right now. But, you know what I'm saying? To be continued on that. Yeah, but like I said, logos, man, I've been trying to do logos here and there. I got some clients, you know what I'm saying? And a couple of my clients, they got to prepare for the disaster. So, I got to wait on that. But that's cool. You know, we got some money coming in Friday, so it's all right. Fiance, she went out to try to get some supplies we may need to bunker down, because if you did not know, your boy is in Eastern North Carolina. So I ain't really got too many places outside of this area I can go. So, you know, I'm just gonna have to thug it out. You know, I'm on the second floor of a 3rd-story brick building that's kind of up on the hill, so I might be alright. I might be alright. You know what I'm saying? Got insurance on the car, so we gonna be alright. You know what I'm saying? Since I probably is gonna be off work for the weekend, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and wash the hair. I'm gonna do a product review with the products that I got that you've seen in that last video for the shout out that I'm about to do. You know what I'm saying? If you want a shout out, you know, go to that product that I just posted. You know, go to that video. You know what I'm saying? I'll hook it up. You know what I'm saying? That shout out video is coming on soon. As a matter of fact, tomorrow. I'm gonna put that out tomorrow. I ain't even bullshit tomorrow. I'm putting it out tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna shout people out. Whoever commented, there's 7 spots left as of right now to be in the qualifications of being shouted out. You know what I'm saying? I got 3 people I got shout out right now. And so yeah, if you wanted to be part of that, go ahead and do that. You feel me? But other than that, man, I got some things going on. If you want to know more about, like, you starting a YouTube channel, you want to know what you need to do, what you need to look at, how you need to put certain things, what you need to focus on, bro, I can do that. I got questions. If you got questions about that, put it down there in the comments. I got you. I'll make a video about it. If you got any lock questions, I'll make a whole video on the question. I'll do some research. You gonna see me doing the research. I'll look it up, break it down, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? We in there. You feel me? Just hit me up. Hit your boy up. You women out there, you men out there. I see you ladies out there. You know what I'm saying? I be checking my view counts and saying used to be like 10% of my viewers were women. Now it's like 20. I see you. How y'all doing? Anyway, if y'all had any questions, ask. You know what I'm saying? It ain't just the fellas, you know what I'm saying? If y'all got some questions, ask. You know what I'm saying? I answer it. I do have a fiance. She does have locks, so I might have some information on what you may be going through or whatever question you might have. So, you know what I'm saying? Ask away, you feel me? But this is just a little update, let y'all know I'm still alive. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna thug it out in this hurricane, you feel me? The hurricane, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm out this bit, you know what I'm saying? Keep it locked, keep it healthy. I'm gonna be bunkered down on the 2nd floor, you feel me? And I'm gonna be doing my thing. If we get too crazy, you might see a live video feed on one of my social medias or on here. You never know, right? If it do get too crazy, if it do, you know, I got you. Stay tuned, keep it locked, keep it healthy. It's your boy, and I'm out. Peace.
See, that's just how they do us, so let's get in where you fit in. Hey, the tray pound come with extra. She heard that I'm a real one, so she down for the sex. Most of you niggas fake jacking personas for protection, knowing damn well you just flex. Front desk to the streets, this to check it.